Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Jacob Letman here. Thanks for being with me on the channel. We got a great video coming at you today. Well, look, here's the deal, right? As rideshare drivers, we're always looking for one of two things, either ways to cut our expenses or to bring in more income. So a great option, if you don't know about it already, if you haven't looked into it, now is your time to do so. Play Octopus. We have a link in the video description below. Click on that. You can get signed up for it. It is in most major cities across the US. And basically, here's the deal, right? If you give at least 100 rides a month, which is pretty easy, even part-time drivers usually hit that number, then you're eligible to receive a free tablet from Play Octopus. Absolutely free. It's you keep it in your back seat. They send you a mount also for the back of your headrest, and it's interactive for your passengers, so they can get on there, play games, they can see information about you, their driver. They can earn rewards, and then as a driver you can earn up to $100 a month just by having that in your back seat. You can also earn $25 per referral. So if you get it, you like having it, and you talk to other drivers that you know, share your referral code with them. You can make $25 for each referral code. And again, all it is, you just have to give 100 rides a month as a driver. So you're like, hey Jacob, what if I don't hit that? Well, you can return your tablet at any time. They will pay you directly, direct deposit to your account. Let's see. It's in most major cities. I already said you can return it at any time. And you want to know my absolute favorite part about Play Octopus is if you are a driver and you get sick of having the same conversations over and over again, or if you're more of an introverted person, you don't like to have conversations, it's a great conversation topic because most passengers are gonna get in, they're gonna be like, hey, what's this tablet? And you can talk to them about it, say, yeah, hey, play some games, you can win some prizes. And it keeps them occupied. So if they pick it up and they're interested playing a game, especially like on a long ride, you don't have to carry conversation forever. So I know that can be exhausting. If you're driving all day long. You know, it's already hard enough driving all day long, but to carry those conversations. So anyway, that's Play Octopus. Again, check out the link in the video description below. Sign up for it. And if you guys have used it before, get down at me in the comment section below. Let me know your experience. And on the website, you can see other drivers that have left their reviews. They're highly rated. There's really there's not a lot to it. It's not too good to be true. It's just an excellent addition that you can add to your passengers' riding experience. All right, I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thanks for being here, guys. Until the next time, take care.